And this coin, right about 1970, 1980, depending on where we're at for the price of the day. Wow. So the big difference is, if you look at them, one's a lot easier to store.
Yep.
Right? Coin has a preference because it's coming from a governmental mint.
Gotcha.
Okay?
So it's
Austria.
this is more.
Yeah, it is, because it's gone through the process of verifying. This is from the Austrian mint, so the says, I guarantee that there is 1 ounce of gold in it.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
You know, the company, which is a great company, guarantees that it's 1 ounce of gold. Well, it can't be, it's not a company. It ain't the country of Austria.
Yeah, I agree with that.
So, there's some value there.
Now, prices vary between where you get the gold from.
Right. And the deviations are not tremendous. There are some. Right now, gold eagles, silver eagles are more expensive than their counterparts because there's a bigger demand.
Gotcha. So I was wondering if they were if the coins vary as well. So the gold eagle would be more than the Austrian.
You do, yes. It's more popular. The gold eagle, the silver eagle, they're one in a row.
Is that because of collectors, right?
And we are the standard. That some countries say they hate us, yet they hate us. So, you know, that's kind of what we get there. And right now, there's such a high demand that supply is very limited. You know, we still get access because we buy in such bulk. We turn around so much product that we kind of have preference with the mint. So when we go and order, you know, our orders getting filled.
Wow. I did not realize that's so heavy.
Yes.
What? Now. Ounces.
See, right in there, stamped in there.
Wow. Now, what would this bad boy be worth?
That right now, you're looking at about.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. $3,000 right here. Now this is and this will go up and go down. It goes up, I guess, as the longer you hold on to it.
When I first started with silver was at $5 an ounce.
Wow.
That bar would cost you $500.
No way. Man. So wait. What was the word?
Well, that's the funny thing. Everyone thinks gold is there.
Yeah, I
like
always
right?
think that.
It's not. It's based on constant weight. It's 1 ounce.
Well, there you go.
It's a
So the gold, I would say gold is worth most of all the precious metals that you sell.
creeped up a little bit in price, but it's much. But gold is your standard.
Okay. So what is this right? Is this also silver?
That is also silver. That's from the Royal Canadian.
So you don't really do get it from all over the place.
We do. That is a cast bar, right? So
yeah,
that is a precise amount of silver. Whereas the other bar there is a poured bar. They still get it.
This is a poured.
The smaller one there? Yeah. Here. Yep. These are poured, and those are both the same way.
Wow.
Difference in thickness.
So you said this is pressed, right? So it's a more of a precise.
Right. And also, you'll see in there, you'll see the logo of the Royal Canadian Mint, right?
Gotcha.
So you again, with that bar, you have the guarantee of the Canadian government that this is 10 ounces.
Gotcha.
You don't have to verify it. You don't have to justify it. You know, you're not going to get questions. How do I know this is silver, not lead in theirs?
Yeah.
That's silliness, right? Because it's from the mint, and you'll see that there's accountability to it.
Now, do people when they buy, do they buy specifically from whatever country, or say no, I want a Canadian, or I want an Austrian?
Yeah, we have people have their preference. What we find most of the time, people are saying, "What's my best value?" And we'll go over the options. Here's this, here's that. These are what's available. This is right now with the current market. This is going to save you a couple bucks. People want to know that they have the same coin all the way through, the same bar. And that's the way they do it. It's a personal preference. Both of them work.
Wow. It's funny because it's actually it is kind of hilarious because I was kind of, I have a friend of mine that invests in metals, and he told me to do the same. He said, listen, why you making a little money? This is the time to start investing. And I remember listening to him, and then I found out about you guys. It's like, somebody must be telling me to do something right now because, you guys just fell into my life. It was great. So this is really interesting. I find it because I've never done anything about this. I really haven't. It's not really talked about.
You have to understand why too, right? I mean, metals have been currency. It was the United States' original currency, gold and silver. That's what the United States was founded on. That's what the world was founded on. We had currency, and it was gold and silver. We went through some changes, and you don't want to get me into the history. But it really came about as the United States needed a way to create inflation. Right? They needed to create a fiat currency. You can't inflate gold. Gold's worth what gold's worth. You can't create more of it. You have to dig it out of the ground and go through the process. Paper currency, print more.
Yeah,
done. So gold is almost saying that you don't have faith in the United States government's way of running things.
Yeah.
Because you know that we're creating an inflationary process right now. We're creating a debt that's unsustainable, right? So that's why you don't hear about it a lot. Because it's kind of telling the government, yeah, I don't agree with the way you're handling our country right now and its finances. So we're going to go out there and promote that.
Gotcha.
And all your big companies, like your brokerage firms, they don't deal in it, so they don't want to talk about it either.
Wow. Now, with the precious metals, where's the best place to put it? In your own home? Would you put it in
It depends. I have some at home, but I have the majority in a safe outside of that. Right? So it depends on what you're comfortable with.
Where's the safe?
Yes, it's right down.
This is great.
My home was probably safer than the safe, just
Yeah.
because.
I mean, you're in Texas. You're in Texas.
But it's personal preference, Retirement accounts, you don't even get to take delivery of it because it's a retirement account, right? So it's stored at a depository for you, where that's all they do is manage your gold, your silver.
So if I wanted to liquidate this into something, I would come back to you guys?
Give us a call.
Okay.
It's very quick.
Wow.
Retirement accounts, the process is about 3 days. Money will be wired back to you.
Wow.
Personally, it depends on how quick you get us the house. We trust you, but we're not going to send you the money to it.
So, send me the money first, and then I'll send it.
And I'll give you a tracking number.
I was wondering how that worked. It seems like this would be easier.
And there's also local people, too. You'll find, right? I wouldn't tell anyone to go to we're good because they kind of give you less money for it. But in a pinch, that's always an option. So if it's a true emergency, and you can't wait, if it's the weekend, you can't wait for us to open up on Monday, and it's been a couple days for us to get our bank wired together. You can go anywhere. It's all there.
Now, are there coins more valuable than others, such as collectibles, things like that? There are. Why would that be more expensive than regular coins?
You don't need to go back to the cars, right? We looked at our they'd probably go for $130,000. You could buy a brand new car now, significantly less, right? But there's history, there's a collectability, a rarity to it. And it's the same thing with coins. So you look at coins that were circulating in the Atlantic 100 years ago. There's not many of them left. So you're paying not just for the metals value, you're paying for that collectability, that rarity, right? And it's not that it's a bad way to go about it. We have some very one time. It's about trees. One of those coins are worth $500,000. But you're paying for that collectability, that specialness, that rarity. That as an investment strategy is you don't know what is its rarity and its collectability. You know what you're paying for, right? You need something that's going to move, and if you don't have, I tell everybody, you really have to look at collectibles. Just like building a house before you put the frame up. And lay down your concrete, get your foundation right. Your foundation is and after that, you can add some specialty things because you have your base protection.
This just seems like the best way, the easiest way to invest your money.
And to get it right, once they call us, they talk to us,
Yes.
it makes more sense. And then
Yeah, I'm thinking that now. I'm thinking that right now. I should have done this years ago. Because, I feel like, your money's sitting in a bank. When you can have it at home, and when it goes up, it just seems very, very simple. It just seems very simple. And I'm glad I have you guys. I'm coming to you guys to find out and know about it, which makes me feel more confident in doing it. So, thank you guys. I appreciate you showing me all this.
it's our
Good
pleasure.
education today. Well, I will have more questions for you, so I can just give you a call. Charles, this is great. I can tell. I can see that it's a passion for sure.
My grandfather told me, and it's something that like the stronger you make the individual, the stronger you make the country. So our goal is more stability individual both so that the country can stand on its own. I'm not here to talk politics, but politicians are kind of a deterrent to the wealth of our nation. Do we need them? Yes. Do we need to know what they do? Yes. But until we can do that, we need to make sure each and every one of us has the strength to withstand bad decisions. It's always that strength of the individual.
That's awesome. What makes it really cool is that I can tell that you care, and that's something that my dad always told me. People really, care how much you know. They'll know how much you care, and that's how you keep. Customers. So I can tell that you care about it. So that's awesome. That's an honor, my friend. I appreciate you, brother. Yes, sir. Yeah, this is because we make this stuff every day. I've never seen this much so in my entire life. No. Which was the stuff like that? Hardest?
Hardest would be
So is this you keep this is all that you keep
this is what we
all this is wow.
This is a goal.
Yeah, we have seen everything. You find out that we're getting invested in ourselves now than ever before. That's the kind of in the same,
There's a lot more just now that I really related to how we do superstition. If we touch political, we're trying to look like really good. When President Trump was in office, we had prosperity. As soon as he was out of office, as soon as our president took over, we lost prosperity. We created $9 trillion in debt like that. That's a number that's an extra number. We haven't even made that much money in the United States. That's more money that's ever been in circulation through the United States. And they passed bills to get us to that level of debt in no time. And then he shut off the oil. And then now we have, I don't know what your thing about COVID is and whether, that's kind of irrelevant, right? We know that things carried on too long and it shut down the economy. So you have the Dow down significantly. It's down more than 20% this year. So that means people who are ready to retire now have 20%. This is where those really do their job, right? And it's, to me, by Neither way is acceptable. Every day, and this is what people go on about. They've been told year after year, don't worry about the downside. Just keep holding. What will you do if you're 60?
Yeah.
Right? What if you're ready to retire? I'm sorry. I won't say you should invest your gold last year. You have that insensitive. But really, that is the answer. Make sure that you don't ever get there. Where you have to pick up the phone and say, tell me, I don't know what to do.
Yeah.
I mean, that helplessness must be horrible. So whatever we do, we want to make sure that as few people as possible have to go through that.
Yeah. I wouldn't, yeah. Let's say I had $100,000. How much of that would I want to invest in precious metals?
What you want to do? I would say it really depends on what you have it in now. Is it sitting in cash?
Yes.
Okay, so on the market, because you're afraid of the market, and so because you'd be there, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to put it in the bank where you're not going to get returns? No, right? So my philosophy is, on a good day, 10 to 30% of your average investments, right? If you have a ton of investments out there, and you have properties and things like that are generating a monthly income, where you're getting that mailbox money, you don't need as much metals. Right? You have something that's generating income. Don't have that. You want to go a little heavier. Right? You have something that's protecting your purchasing power. Because here's the thing about inflation. It robs you of what you can buy every year. Right? We're talking high inflation now. But the government says good inflation is 2 to 3%. And it sounds great, but when you think about it, that means my lifetime. It's acceptable for me in my working career to lose 120% of my purchasing power. If I work 40 years, and you say I should lose 10% a year, that's 120% of the purchasing power.
Yeah.
That's not a good plan.
Yeah.
So you look at metals and you offset that. This is why some people say, let me put it all there, because I'm still working and I'm still earning. Yeah. And I'll find when the next good thing comes, I'll time try to do that.
Gotcha.
And as the market gets better, it's time to go back. And then the market will go. Right? But a good parameter between 10 and 30%.
Gotcha. 10 to 30%. Looks like I'm going to be investing in some metals, my fella.
We got you all set up whenever you're ready.
Thank you for listening to the Charles Thornton Show by Legacy Precious Metals. Legacy Precious Metals helps investors protect their retirements and build wealth through investments in gold, silver, and precious metals. Whether you want metals shipped directly and discreetly into a gold-backed IRA, Legacy Precious Metals is the company you can trust. To speak to an expert, call 866-473-6204 or visit legacypminvestments.com to download our free investing guide.
You know, some went down 20% last year, and that this year's outlook is even bleaker. In fact, a majority of economists are forecasting a recession in 2023.
Binge listen this and all your artist stations, plus any song from our library of millions of songs, all ad-free. Get your free 30-day trial of iHeartRadio All Access. You'll love it. Don't be basic, be extra. Start your free 30-day trial of iHeartRadio All Access now.
I'd rather ride a bike with my kids
Than
than ride in an ambulance.
I'd rather have a catch with my dog Curtis than catch pneumococcal.
You're 19 or older with certain chronic conditions like heart disease, asthma, or diabetes. You may be at increased risk for pneumococcal pneumonia. Ask your doctor or pharmacist about getting vaccinated with Prevnar 20, pneumococcal 20-valent conjugate vaccine, a Pfizer vaccine. Pneumococcal pneumonia in just one dose. Learn more at Prevnar20.com. Prevnar 20 is approved for adults to help prevent the bacteria that cause pneumococcal pneumonia. Continued approval may depend on a supportive study.